One of the most important things about AI is how it transforms the experience of how humans work with software. Traditionally, you've had to learn how to use software. This flips that, right? Where the software now learns how to work with us and work in our language. And so that's really a powerful just accelerator to having users be productive and use these new capabilities. I'll start with this notion, actually, back in the last slide, of conversational UIs. And the conversational UI, you'll see you can now just stay in a fully immersive, single screen prompt. You'll see this in the demo, and that just changes the way that you talk to your software and that you interact with it. Furthermore, the conversational experience doesn't just stay inside CRM or in our applications, but you'll see that this follows you throughout your workday. And so it can be an agent that you work with on your mobile phone or in Outlook or in Zoom. And that really expands the value and how it impacts your day-to-day work because it's optimized to follow you and be part of that and has the memory and context for everything that I'm doing without having to worry about that I'm shifting between different tools. And then the last point here is super important. It's the fact that it's really proactive. It's taking actions. It's suggesting steps to me. And it's not just based on the data that's inside Creatio, but it's connected into all the underlying core systems and all the data and using that to intelligently recommend things like next best action or proposing things that are based on this aggregate view of both structured and unstructured data. So we're going to see this in action.
Now, where do we really want to start the journey of working with AI agents is by full immersion into the conversation, right? And help us, the agent, actually go through our day-to-day by using this natural language. And of course, here as an account executive, I can ask Creatio about the progress with one of my opportunities. So let's do exactly that, right? Let's go with, hey, can you tell me about the recent opportunity with Alpha Business? The idea here is that, Creatio AI is going to fully grasp my request, right? It's going to be done looking into the business context of my user, is going to give me a very consistent overview of what exactly was going on with our customer. And we can as well go and ask for summarizing the next steps, right? So anything that we've discussed over Teams or Zoom that can be actually carried over to Creatio. And again, Creatio is going to understand all of this data and it's going to be providing me with a consistent overview of the next steps, but not just those steps, but who are the best teams to engage, whether this is somebody internally within the sales team, whether this is the business analyst or even solution consultants team helping with due diligence. And of course, the idea here is that I can continue in the same way, right? And I can work within Creatio. But the idea here also is that we don't only work within one business application, right? There are a lot of communication tools that we use on a daily basis. And the excellent thing here is that this conversation actually carries over across all of our tools and all of our applications. So if I wanted to continue the conversation with my productivity agents or the sales agent and ask him to help me prepare the email to SC team, asking for help with due diligence, I can easily do that. And again, the agent now continues to carry over the business context from one application to another so that I can seamlessly pick it up wherever I'm talking to the agent. And of course, the idea here is that this is going to help us be more productive, more efficient, and have this two-way communication from Creatio to Outlook, from Outlook to Creatio, where all of the data is shared, is being safe and secure, and I can easily utilize all of these tools. But right now, let's fast forward a little bit. Let's assume that we had a meeting with our customer and we're always on the go. Here at Creatio, I'm pretty sure that all of our customers and our audience is on the go as well. So how can we make this part of the work even more agile? Well, of course, we can move over to our mobile application, right, in our mobile platform, where Creatio AI, of course, is fully embedded and the conversation continues. So this full immersion into working with my lieutenant, as Dr. Duane mentioned, right, with my personal assistant is right here at my fingertips all the time. And we can post, not just, ask for help, but we can give commands to our lieutenants as well. So we can ask something like, had a great meeting with Alpha, discussed strategic steps in the opportunity. Please add this as a note. And just like that, I can do one thing that, or one of the many things that account executives hate so much is updating CRM data automatically by just telling somebody, go and update the data right there straight away without having to, again, log in, search for the record, update it, and be bothered by such mundane activities.